Hi, and welcome to CSC's Tool Time series. My name is Jason Latimer with Casper Service Company, and today we're showcasing Klein's 14-in-1 precision screwdriver. Oh, well, this is the tool, the Klein Precision 14-in-1. This is an industry standard, an industry must to have for technicians in the field, whether you're doing HVAC, whether you're doing low voltage like commercial cable repair or cable installation, you always find yourself needing a good screwdriver. You know, you want to take in as small of a bag as possible on your diagnosis, so I just love tools that are tech friendly and save a lot of space in my tool bag. And this one is one of them, one of my favorites. Always keep in mind you should always have some sort of protective eyewear and gloves if applicable to what you're doing. So this comes in 8 pieces. You have the handle with a swivel handle here, so it's less cumbersome. You don't have to work the carpal tunnel when you're working with it. So 8 pieces. You have 4 bits, double-sided, with two shafts and 1 trunk. For all of you familiar with having to lug around a tool bag up on a roof into an establishment, you have enough to carry. So again, your 4 bits and the 2 shafts there, it goes into the main trunk. As presented. So again, this is the Klein 14-in-1 precision screwdriver. Great handle, good size, not very cumbersome. It's got a spinning action here, so that will cut down on carpal tunnel over time. I find myself working on HVAC, so thermostats, sensors, controllers, and the alternative to having one of these tools is having several small screwdrivers in your bag that take up a lot of real estate, when in fact what we should be doing is not working harder, but smarter. So for me, I'm always working HVAC, so we're either connecting remote sensors, thermostats, controllers, and package units. What's cool about this is that you have this pivoting end handle here, so you can just put it in the middle of your hand and you can just use your fingers. Very ergonomic. Anything that has control voltage or communication would be ideal for this screwdriver. So you find yourself in an office or in a ceiling attaching a sensor for remote sensing for your thermostat, and this tool is just great. A lot of you technicians out there very familiar with these. And there's nothing more cumbersome than digging through your tool bag, especially for tools that are this small. You have one good size that fits in your hand, like any screwdriver. For the size of our hands, we need the small precision of the size of the tip, but we still need to get a good firm grip on it. And that's easy. It's very ergonomic for your hands and how you use it. Very good transition. So this will remain a staple in my tool bag, so I can free up real estate. So this Klein 14-in-1 definitely takes out all this extra cumbersome tools here. You can leave those at home, and you can take this with you and get the job done. Okay, well that wraps up this episode of CSC Tool Time. I'm Jason Latimer with Casper Service Company. I wanted to thank you again for joining us, and for all our viewers. Make sure you tune in 2 weeks for the next CSC Tool Time tip. See you then.